What's the report that Reform has published today, and why have you chosen to do it?
So, government has made much of the potential of technology to transform public services, but the government really has only scratched the surface of what digital can actually achieve. So we've partnered with Accenture to look at a series of areas in public service where we think that digitisation can bring value both to the service user but also to the taxpayer.
What's the specific problem that this report is trying to address?
So the report that we are publishing today looks at the speed of the court system. Now, case durations have increased over the last 5 years, despite attempts from the Coalition and previous administrations to tackle this problem. Now, this is an issue for a number of reasons. Inefficiencies in the court system inevitably build in costs. Secondly, without a close relationship between a crime and its outcome, there's a risk that the public will lose faith in the judicial system. And as Tim Godwin, the former acting commissioner for the Met, told us in an interview for this paper, the wider the gap between a crime and justice being served, the less the deterrence effect. And thirdly, we also know that case durations affect judicial outcomes. So victims and witnesses are more likely to refuse to give evidence the longer a case drags on, often because they live in the same neighbourhood as the defendant himself or herself.
Hasn't this been tried before though? Haven't there been pilots that haven't been successful?
Well, it's true to say that virtual courts have delivered mixed results in practice. In 2009 there was a pilot in Camberwell that did deliver some efficiency savings, but these were ultimately outweighed by the initial costs of investment required to deliver the virtual courts. So we believe that there are a number of lessons that could be learnt from Camberwell and other virtual court pilots. First is scale. You need to have the required number of volumes in order to deliver the efficiencies that would outweigh any initial costs of investment. Second, you need to have sophisticated and intelligent technology which will be able to schedule these virtual court appearances in an automatic way. And thirdly, you need to have leadership. The costs and benefits of virtual courts fall across the criminal justice system, and you need to have someone that will be able to align interests. Now, we think these lessons have been learnt by a new pilot in the southeast of England, which is currently being led by Police and Crime Commissioner Katie Bourne.
So why do you think this model is going to be successful?
So we think the fundamental benefit of the model set out by Katie Bourne is its scale. It's covering the entire southeast region and encompasses a number of different local police forces, rather than just one small part of London in the Camberwell pilot. Now, this scale will require a sophisticated scheduling service, and they've also thought about that. They anticipate that more than 14,000 actors will be on their scheduling system on any given day. And there's also been the leadership. Katie Bourne, as the chair of the local criminal justice board, has been able to bring together the different parts of the criminal justice system. Now, the potential savings from such a model are significant. The partnership forecasts that the number of ineffective trials could halve. They could save hundreds of thousands of police officer hours each year, and in total they believe the model could save £27 million annually.
So you mentioned it's a series. Where next?
So we'll be doing 3 more papers in this series, one on digital patients, one on digital borders, but the next publication will be on the digital police, and that will be out before Easter.